Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A17. Start by opening Play Store on both devices to download my favorite app, which is Send Anywhere from this developer. I use it to perform transfers on all devices I'm testing, so I can tell you now it will work and won't mess up quality of your images or any other files you will send. Now to operate it, hit open and set up both by clicking on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge, located at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in a second one. And then whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you're done, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of Samsung. Going back to an Android, it's time to pick all of your files you wish to send, thanks to all of those categories at the top. I will only go with few, just for example, so I have to click on them. And what is important for last two categories, contacts and files, then they require to tap on allow a few more times. If you want to continue transferring, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to pick any app to transfer, don't worry, you will see this pop-up. All you need to do is hit OK. Now choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Samsung. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at this code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And tap on red Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!